We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello Dan, it's Joe here. I hope you're keeping well. It's the 21st of December, they're in the last spell. If I get good behavior, I'll be out with by July. Won't you kiss my kids on Christmas Day? Please don't let them cry for me. Got some brother that's driving out from Queensland. Still is flying in from the coast. Say it's gonna be 100 degrees, even more maybe. But that won't stop the roast. But who's gonna make the gravy now? That won't taste the same. Just add flour, salt, a little red wine, and don't forget the dollop of tomato sauce for that sweetness and extra dang. Give my love to Angus and to Frank and Dolly. Tell them all I'm sorry, I screwed up this time. And look at the reader, I'll be thinking of her early Christmas morning when I'm standing in line. I hear Mary's got a new boyfriend. I hope he can hold his own. Remember the last one? What was his name again? Just a little too much cologne. And Roger, I'm even gonna miss Roger, 'cause there's sure as hell no one here I wanna fight. Praise the baby Jesus, have a Merry Christmas. I'm really gonna miss it, all the treasure and the trash. And later in the evening, I can just imagine you'll put on Junior Mervin, push the tables back, and you'll dance with Rita. I know you really like her, we just don't hold her too close. So brother, please don't stab me in the back. I didn't mean to say that, just my mind, it plays up, multiplies each matter, turns imagination into fact. You know I love her badly, she's the one to save me. Gonna make some gravy, gonna taste the fat. Tell her I'm sorry, yeah, I love her badly. Tell them all I'm sorry, kiss the sleeping children. One of these days, I'll be making gravy, I'll be making plenty, gonna pay them all back.
Very cute vibes, you know what I mean? Yeah. Cheers. Thank you very much.